This video shows how to create and remove dummy meetings in the Meetings Analyzer application. The dummy meetings are generated with meaningful statistical information. This allows the dummy meetings to be used as a learning tool to understand filtering and analytics. Each lead is assigned a different range of ratings, meeting elapsed times, number of attendees, and types of meetings. The user can apply filtering and use analytics to ascertain what these differences are. Dummy meetings are generated with the following types: branch, group, project, staff, and team. And the following leads: Alex, Dave, Donna, KJ, and Will. Let us demonstrate adding and removing dummy meetings. Our current Meetings Analyzer has some existing meetings in the database. The last meeting in the stack is a meeting called 29 Hours, which was an overnight systems test. We will create 3 dummy meetings. They show up at the bottom of the stack. Note the titles are gibberish, which makes it rather easy to identify dummy meetings. Let us create another 55 meetings. The database is now much larger. We now remove the dummy meetings. The database is back to its original form. We shall now clear all meetings from the database. Since I previously backed up the original database, I can restore it later after this demonstration. The database is now empty. Failure to have a backup before performing the clear all meetings operation would result in a loss of the entire database. Use clear all meetings with extreme caution. We shall create 100 dummy meetings. We filter these meetings on the lead Will. And configure the metadata view to include number of attendees, meeting type, meeting lead, and rating. Since we filter on Will, Will is the only lead showing up. When we run analytics, it becomes apparent that Will is only lead for the following meeting types: team, project, and group. We can also see that Will led 21 meetings and that most of these ratings were in the good range. The full analytics details indicate that the average meeting runtime was about 1 hour and 15 minutes and that meetings ranged from 1/2 hour to 2 hours. We also find that the average number of attendees was approximately 9. The meetings range from a minimum of 2 people to a maximum of 15, and most of the meetings were of type group. Hopefully this tutorial provided some insight on how to use dummy meetings to gain a better understanding of filtering and analytics. Lesson 6 goes into more detail on filtering and sorting, while Lesson 7 concentrates on analyzing groups of meetings.